girl. Bring your body, come girl, me say bring your body. Where your body, so you have my body, come down. You have something to tell the girl, right? Tell them all in. Because we full up a silent, no fish out and coffee. Set the trend. When you go walk up, you know say crazy money spend. Every man that tell you say them off to be your friend. Every man that tell you say, you know why? Because we want your body bad, 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 bad. Why you feel with self, girl, like you we want to have. Why your body bad, 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 bad. Something cool face. Hear me and say big down, big up yourself. All the artists them big up for yourself. Come we come to party now. No one key is gone, but his dancing lives on. So everybody get jiggy and just party on. Letting me in the scene. What the kids, them my dreams. Come join the party. All dance and join together. It's a dance of African quick. Mr. Wacky, let me with that. Everybody walking it, and it. What we do? Walking it. Uno dip later, uno step forward, and it. Yeah, make a taste like Wacky, and it. Yeah, make a see him stand up, and it. Yeah, see him pose everybody, and it. Then what? Represent for Mr. Wacky, no one see me stand. Family make a lot of grow Wacky. Everybody, hold time, man. What we do? Hold time. Just dance and do what you feel like. Just do the chaka chaka and sleep and come up, rock away, lean back and do what you feel like. But I give me like a playing chaka. March out to the chaka chaka, ding that, money man. I'll take it apart. Dance in an explosion, I'll start. So just get that, set up a show like me, that rock away, lean back, baby. The ladies, them ready to party now. For the ladies, them. Ladies, if you're ready to party, show your hands, let me know. And if you're feeling naughty, just come and get with the flow. We're ready to get mad, liquor. Everybody know. Party crowd. Ladies, sing song. Yeah, sing song. Yeah, all of the girl them up front. What we got left there? Settle, my girl. What we do? Chaka. Yeah, chaka. We love a phone at a party. What we do now? Air Force. What? Air Force. Who's first? Number one. It's a jiggy time again. Jiggy. Ooh. Hey. Poland. But that's what I say. Bling dog. Big up yourself, youth. Big up yourself. I want to big up to Poland for support. Big dog so much every year, you understand? Big up the Magnum girls. So everybody let's dance. Everybody rock to the left, everybody really bump. Dance a galang bad. Make up the face like what you do. Him no day, him left for eye. Dancing standard. Give me mad and the baby. Him got teenage American man. Yes, American. Everybody get mad. Every to the out to the bad. Dancing get hot in a top bubble up. Everybody in the dance. Willy bump double up. Willy bump double up. Everybody in the dance. Willy bump double up. Dancers do the dance and praise that a road. When you hear that you da behave on the road. Timeless will a dance with the car. Man a road. Who to get man a road? Dance all you a man. Dance bubble up. When you do the big dance, bad man pull up. When me say bad man power, bad man pull up. Youngster, then the bad man pull up. 14 she go theater. Bout the new dance when you call Bounty Walk. We love you now. Hey. Love you now.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for voicemail. Give it up for voicemail. So well I know. Shh. Slow it down the Jeepers. So rain stop. On the rinse, what's up my great from my brain? Get a lift. Tell me if you get the truth.
In my brain.
Oh Lord, we love it.
Truth in my brain.
When it comes to my get there. Yo! Weed where we are smoke prescribed by doctor. Brains are like click like all the car them a do over. Nose are just smoke like some jail and muffler. Yeah, we know I put that. Yo! If you smoke like I smoke, then you high like every day. Hey, if you smoke like I smoke, then you... Hey, sing away, say. What you say? All of the guns are like that.
My ladies! I am sitting on the corner, smoking my marijuana.
Ice cream.
Just finished 2 bottle of Guinness, waiting for no girl named Lana. When she come, me naga panda, me a go give her me yada kanda. When me done, naga apart.
You know what
She
the man
had to
singer?
come back
What you
again.
said? Weed is life. Just face reality. I smoke weed to the end of the world. Oh, weed. Pull up that. I would say I don't know summer jam with there now. But singer, when you sing about 6 hours and a half dozen of the other boy line up, you see how we don't DJ about the ganja man. Them you know what ganja man are like? Ganja man are like Informer. Bounce back the rhythm again. So we say, Portland, St. Thomas, St. Mary. We born Clark a court. We born the Dirty Church. We born police and lock up man for we free Jack Cure. Can't forget how Informer make with friend get. Can't forget the exit. Look, you know what again we born? Before I sing, you know what again we born? We born Batty Boy. And we born Sada Week, and them now no might. We all a respect to all the gunman them. Gunman alone keep gunman spread. For your bun, for all the Batty man them. Batty man alone keep. Well, this I want a name torture. For your pun a boy we climb up a altar. You will find out who I make a departure. Pull up.
To my ladies, my dancing babies. Well, this is truly a house. Can I hear my ladies scream? Well, this is my independent lady getting mad right. To my independent ladies, wave your rock, baby. Wave something to my dancing. Woo! All my independent ladies, not afraid. One get down now. All right then. From the man that spin you around like merry-go-round. Hey, wind up for me, wind up, me wind up, wind up. Say that, say right there.
Portland girls. Moshe. Dance records, big. 6 hours and a half dust at the other Yankee devil.
To my Portland babies. Yeah.
J-Pop.
Dog is your birthday. It's all good. And to my ladies and the friends. And to the ladies in the back and the middle. You know it's Portland summer jam. Back it up now. A man walk down the street. A man walk. Why my eyes up in the middle though? Rest of my. I need a photo opportunity. I want to shout redemption. Don't want the end of a car in a cartoon graveyard. Bone. Dogs in the moonlight. Far away, my relatives. Mr. B. Get this much away from me, you know. I don't find this stuff. Can I have my ladies in this spot? If you.
Summer jam. Monster Empire forever.
Brand new. I can't talk. Take me down low.
6 hours and a half dust at the other. One more.
This one is brand new. Anybody by the name of Sandra the Cloud. Can I let you? The ladies, you're gonna be in my brand new album coming out, Ghost Stories. This one is brand new, ladies and gentlemen. Damn it. Her name is Sandra. From over yonder. And the way. If a waistline set on a road time. Is she a 4-6, 8 or 12 still? To my ladies, illegal gyration. Seems she's broken for a standing over. Ladies, somebody call that. Somebody, me out be dead. Portland girl, them a murder. Somebody call that. Somebody called it. Me out be dead. Portland girl, them a murder her. A sexy Sandra.
Singer, well I know. Put up that. Singer. A girl tell Ron to tell me, say, a long time we don't come to Portland, so you know what. We have to go back in the days for them out of Portland. So me say, buckle up your belt. We have to take you back in the Portland. We sing, sir, this how they do you remember remix. Tune after tune, still hits after hits. And in the ear, girl, jump up and skip. And then go a lick something like this.
Do you remember when we fell in love?
Remember?
Remember, do you remember
Not a bit.
how it all began?
Remember?
It just
Remember?
seems like heaven sent so.
Remember? Say, girl, that you look so good, you man not subscribe for you. Me out a road, I carry feelings for you. You look so luminous and all your man want you. Me out a road, summer jam. Girl, you know both way, like a big BG kite. I made the in your way, them I go lose them. Girl, you know both way, like a big BG kite. Remember?
The higher you feel it, your barrier. Hey.
We'll take them back in a sec. It's good.
And the faster you take my legs, so
All of the girls them a Portland. Hallelujah. Who remember? Woman, if your man gone with another girlfriend, don't bother screw up, be a girl, them jump around them. Hallelujah. Woman, if your man gone with another girlfriend, no bother screw if it up. How this a booba? Who remember?
She walla-ling. Say Portland, you wanna move it again. To walla-ling.
Carla, Alwa.
Say Portland, you wanna repeat it again. You shall whop them booba, whop them booba. Whop them booba, whop them booba. Turn in a Lexus and whop them. Live in a mansion and stop them. Somebody buy can kill them. We bring together, give them
car full of girls, but when we slow, where we wanna go, nobody wanna know. So, buckle up, ladies, are you ready to go? Next stop is.
What tonight name? Tonight I name Skin Swear. Go find a hotel with Pamela and Jackie Yamel. Blaze up the chronic until your head swell. Chick up the Guinness, make your body feel well. Who won't find we come down at the hotel? You can read. Who remember?
This distance between us. And
Big Monster Empire. Big
it's on the
Rose.
Monster Empire, baby. In as a man in the darkness, I can't find
You know remember singer?
peace.
Who remember?
No.
Say Miss Jean from Japan and Jackie from Florida. Who has been vacation from Portland, Ghana. How we act like a fire, them here about the lace out grip. With the green corridor, them here on the wharf. Who remember? Anywhere the monster go, anytime we rock the show, the girls them go. The girls them go. Pull it.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, this Monster Empire in concert right here. And let's play that rhythm because I introduced to you right now. Damn it. It's brand spanking new. East Coast. Oh, yeah. And to my independent ladies, you know when the time you roll out like what? And this one is brand new too. It's all over when we roll up in the place. Rims spin over when we roll up in the place. Girls come over when we roll up in the East Coast got the favor, we're gonna set the pace. It's all over when we roll up in the place. Rims spin over when we roll up in the place. Girls come over, girls, East Coast.
I danger when me rolling on me Chevy Ranger. Me a no stranger. Girl a texting from me pager. Praise me but me tell them I'm no creator. Them a date me say yes I'm the love make. And the record the girl them made and take her. I'm a big girl from me a no long waiter. I'm a beat it like a drum and shake it like a shaker. Please done, I don't me know I'm not a big gator.
It's all over when we roll up in the place. But I'm not.
Yo,
Pull up.
singer, what we there?
Wagwan
Turn off the light now,
ENT.
cause me go see what go on. Put the rhythm pampas, turn off the light. Let me see who rape Bling Dawg. Let me see some lighter in the air, cause we know so we are not fraud around here. Let me see be a lighter. Bounty killer fans and put on the lighter in the air. Sizzler fans and put on the land. Portland people then put them. Yo, run the rhythm there. Yo, Portland a clown town. Down here a clown town. Oh, be a clown town. Run the anger them, I'm telling you something. You see that one here?
Bling Dawg.
I don't hear it bill for. Run the anger.
Let's take it up. Let's take it up. Them stop it and try to fool up the thing, you know.
Yo.
I know me them sing and nothing me catalog it.
Hey.
Yo.
Big up Portland in the place. May I say, that one here, put it on a level. Oh, be a Portland. More some man know so when them come down here in a clown place. Him nobody take down yourself in a country place. Cause we get the thing them down here too. Lock up the light, come on, so I'm there. Listen now. We not just no shut up for dark. Watch how you walk when you come up Portland town. When you see the juvenile them, don't pass them. Heal them when you come up Portland town. We have tall people, small people, and eagle. When you come up Portland town, we not just no shut up for dark. Make me see now. Listen, this one today you want harder there. You better show respect, kill the father there. And they don't like to play black ladder there. And the 16 with the banana there. A mobile phone with the charger there. And the dogs and mobile love the mother there. And my sister, my mother, my father there. And the whole call I am Sarasa there.
That's East Coast. Take it down, Mr. Ben. Take it down, take it down. Ladies, you know we love you so much, but I got my brother here, and before I go, I gotta let my brother sing you something. He go by the name of Buwan. He's mad, he's crazy, he's so godly. You gotta listen. You gotta listen. Buwan, please sing there. Let's please sing.
I'm here to Portland. I bling that thing. Mr. Portland, you ready now? Bling dog, you ready now? Portland, you ready now? But if you're blind and you can't see flowers, you in the garden. You're crippled and you can't go anywhere you wanted to go. You're deaf and you can't hear anything you wanted to hear. You're dumb and you can't say anything you wanted to say. Massive, if you can hear and if you can walk, if you can see, if you can talk, be grateful for what he has done. The Father up above is looking down. The Father up above is looking down. Portland, do you remember the book of the Bible, Psalm 37? Oh, Labu Babu Bad. Do you hear what I hear?
Pull up. Sing one piece and then go. Acapella, stop. Acapella and go. Go on. Just one acapella, go. One. The case. 1, 2, 3. Sing.
Barring Toledo, cross from the depot, and barrister and she took off in the rain. She thought I get closer, so I walked over, sat down and asked her name. When the drinks finally hit her, she said I'm no quitter, but I finally quit living on street. I'm hungry for laughter, here ever after. I'm after whatever the other guys need. Bring the fine time to leave me, Lucy.
Yeah. Well, I'm a singer. I want to put artists around there more. Now, listen before we go. Portland people, more and DJ new weed song. Come here, say. You see how the country run. And Mr. Patterson, me paid a visit here, I know. I push around there now, but me say, the police them forget real money. The teacher them forget real money. Not the police them will lock up man for weed. Burn them now, right? The teacher them, the nurse them, the doctor them. So we say, the government has spent money on some wrong something. So here me a DJ no more and listen to every word in this. You know, we say, the government buy new helicopter, but still them can't pay the teachers. And I send more soldier in the field. Fi burn down Portland, Cali weed. But if you no continue to burn down the herbs, man, I go burn down the cane fields. If you no continue to burn down the herbs, man, I go, you know what? Me walk in a Jamaica house, my body strapped with bomb. Tell the government shut him out, start my negotiation. Before the sun goes down, me want 200 billion. The repayment for marijuana that you burning down so long. But ever fly me to chopper, land by the sea sun. There you be accompanied by my brethren Snake Man. Snake Man, contact me if anything goes wrong. Cause me don't wire the airport and feel royal. If you fucked up Mr. Government, everything, bam, them I wonder. When I perform such operation, me wait till Christmas Day, them have the big function. Dress up like a waiter with a tray in me and me stuck a bomb in the chicken and grenade in the arm. Give me some parties in the champagne for all within the man. But if him fuck with the car keys, be explosion. Run me face on the computer. Portland. Well, love you know. Hey, we'll call on the next year. Risco Benji. I'm about to kill us the call on Risco Benji. Oh.
Yeah.
Alliance to say no. Risco Benji, where there? Love. Sing, I don't move. Bubs, look, pull up.
No.
People, we're telling us, say, Monster Shock blow down last year in the storm. The whole heap of hurricane them a blow. Now it's Monster Empire, Big Rounds, Ghost Rider. I'm saying it's the Risco Benji, and them youth the first we start stand up around some big entertainer as youth we know say. We can do it too. So you see Benji, we can't left you until Benji come sing one song.
Resta.
Portland and risk of Benji this. I make the whole of we start the thing.
Resta.
You know, you may tell you, Benji, where there?
Say last year. Take it down low. Portland, we are going to have a real show. So now I'm going to say, don't it. I've got question, I need some answers. Tell me what them sponsor. I've got question, I need some answers. Uno say don't it. Uno. Low. Uno say don't it. Don't it. Predator Macadam and Nuffy War. Two of them are two ugly stars. The fallen angel we bounty dumb. 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 No beanie man put her up front. No highway and sing lava come. Where the highway and trap down. Cook food him same nah eat none. Elephant chop off of the hype. Ninja man him feel low the coke pipe. Fat and much look like big pan bike. I've got question and need some. Okay. Yo, play it low. Me no want no rhythm. Portland, you know if you hear that tune here. All who love ganja, make me see the hand them. Cause a country, them fi know say countryman respect Jew at all time. So listen to the lyrics here. And when you know want give me the forward, you know, give me. That one your name high grade me bun coke, me no want none. And all coke head me, I go run them down. High grade me bun coke, me no want none. And all coke head a figure run. Make me tell you about Cain. From him kill Abel, that boy make him name. Same thing him do with all the one baby Wayne. Turn ninja man in our old picture frame. Make Courtney melody palm out him chain. All big bad Dennis Brown lose all him fame. Greg Isaac smoke coke till him a church like train. King Everett go touch it and no man by name. Look how Tiger did why, look how the fucker get him. Tiger get flap and say Bramek. Say last year.
Give it up for the Manchester Empire. Give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. The Manchester Empire, rest of Benji. So ladies, you ready for some more for you? Oh? Ladies, you drive me crazy on and on right now. Bling Dawg Summer Jam. Here comes Mr. Easy. Mr. Easy.
Bling Dawg Summer Jam, you know. Mr. Easy, Portland for the first time, you don't know. Run the chat with my family. Yeah. Boo boo. Nah, nah, nah. Woo woo woo. She's got the touch I love so much, but now I'm disappointed like they turn to darkness. Ooh yeah, under her spell she got me crushed. I sworn I was anointed, got caught in her madness. Ooh yeah, she had me fooled for a while with her sexual motions like taking candy from a child. So on a love potion, I can't believe the change she's made. Like hoping she clothing. Woo yeah, she drive me crazy. Cause she's having my baby. She drive me crazy. And I thought she was a lady. Woo yeah. My crib, my Benz, my loot, she falls. To her it's all that mattered. That's the life she wanted. Woo yeah, I said that I could never start. I'll be played by a player. Woo woo woo, yeah. But yeah, yo, Portland, I'm Mr. Easy, Bling Dawg, large up every time. Yo, Louis Culture, my brother. Yo. Some little boy this me the other day, and swear said them. But anyway, we see them boy there, the whole of them are. Mama, she a beg and a hope and pray. They do not bother with no. But some little boy no know how Bling Dawg stay, and a chat about AK. But anybody test our door after hours that now. After man I say ya who, people say ya you. Big things are going, them not done. Got that. Got that. How you feeling? Hold it there, hold it there. Me have to stop school. My mama was working and my daddy was. I got my first two when I was 13. I mean, you run the place warm. Then I got older and found myself a wife. Struggling daily to have a better life. But then I'm riding for a fall with my back against the wall. All when me angry, me still a stand tall. But anytime me hear me pitney them ball, Portland say, gunshots start rain again. I don't wanna be a memory, but I see no other solution. Yeah. Massive. You know, I know tell them pieces to me so easy to sing the girls tune them. Give it up. Cause if it's on, it's on. And if them punks they want a war, we are gonna show them who we are. Because a long time is strapped, ready anytime on the ready if you take them on. Me have an ample amount of corn. The one you coming like a desert storm. Well they want be Iraq, ready anytime on the ready. Heads are gonna fly now. They better wish all the world goodbye now. Come on, I just a feature. Got that. Got that. Man, I couldn't know say Portland right now with the negative things straight up. You saw me see them come with them negative things. What we are going to do? I take over myself. Saying, when I hear the tune from one day, you don't know some Mr. Easy.
Gentlemen, let's have a round of applause for Mr. Easy. Give it up for Mr. Easy.